We've got to get this baby bird home to her mommy.
Where do we go next?
Bananas, cornfield, little blue tree. We made it past the bananas. So next we go to the cornfield, right? Did you see the cornfield? Where?
Yeah. There's the cornfield.
Come on, repeat after us. Bananas, cornfield, little blue tree. Bananas, cornfield, little blue tree. Bananas, cornfield, little blue tree. Bananas, cornfield, little blue tree.
Come on, let's go. We've gotta get going. Come on, let's get to it.
I know that we can do it. Where are we going?
Little blue tree. Where are we going?
Little blue tree.
Where are we going?
Little blue tree.
Where are we going?
Little blue tree.
Little blue tree.
The cornfield. We made it. We're almost there. Ooh, look. There's a scarecrow.
Boo.
Oh, peep peep peep. Scarecrow, why did you do that?
I'm sorry, but I'm a scarecrow. My job is to scare birds. I'm really sorry.
Well, don't cry, Scarecrow. We need you to help us cheer up the baby bird.
Ooh, I know how to cheer her up. Let's do the silly dance we did before.
Oh yeah. Let's all do the dance together. Jump.
Wave your hands. Hop on one foot, and the other.
Crouch into a ball.
Now jump, and shout hooray!
Hooray!
Ha 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 ha.
Thanks for helping us.
Sorry I scared you. Friends? So you're going through the cornfield, huh?
That's right. The corn looks tall.
We don't want to get lost.
Don't worry. Follow the path with the blue stones, and you won't get lost.
Right. Follow the blue stones.
Oh, don't take the path with the red stones. Because it has the mean red ants. Follow the path with the blue stones, and you'll find your way through the cornfield.
Thanks, Scarecrow. Okay, Dot, let's go.
Did you see where the baby bird went? Baby bird, wait.
Don't go wandering off in there on your own.